Skrill is one of the leading online payment services, widely used for international transactions, online shopping, and gaming. Using Skrill safely ensures your money remains secure while enjoying its fast and convenient features. Today, we'll explore the safest way to use Skrill service along with hidden tricks that make your experience smoother and more protected. First, always enable two-factor authentication. It's not just a password. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Pair this with strong and unique passwords that combine letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple platforms. Second, verify your account thoroughly. Providing accurate personal details and linking your bank or card reduces the risk of account freezes or suspicious activity alerts. Skrill ID verification helps ensure smooth transactions without interruptions. Third, monitor your transactions frequently. Skrill allows instant notifications for every transaction. Setting alerts helps you catch unauthorized payments instantly, making it easier to resolve issues quickly. Fourth, consider using virtual cards for online payments. Skrill offers prepaid virtual cards that protect your primary bank details. Using a virtual card ensures that even if the card information is compromised, your main account remains safe. Fifth, beware of phishing attempts. Skrill never sends links asking for sensitive information. Always log in via the official website, www.skrill.com, or the official mobile app. Bookmark the official page to avoid fake links. Sixth, explore Skrill's wallet backup feature. Regularly backing up wallet data ensures that even if your device is lost or hacked, you can restore access without losing funds. Hidden tricks include checking transaction limits strategically to avoid triggering security flags, linking multiple currencies to reduce conversion fees, using transaction memos to track payments, scheduling recurring payments safely, testing small transactions for new merchants, and keeping a dedicated email for Skrill exclusively to reduce spam and potential hacking. By following these steps and integrating these lesser-known strategies, your Skrill usage becomes safer, faster, and more efficient.